Today on Phil's 3D Printing Factory, I'm designing and building a Handbrake Joystick compatible with my racing games. First, let's look at the purpose of this project. I love playing racing games, and a couple of years ago I bought a Logitech G29 driving wheel. I was trying to find the best button to assign the handbrake to the system, and I found that the left paddle shifter was the most convenient button to use, as I was using the Logitech shifter anyway. Looking for 3D printing projects, I decided to design and build a handbrake similar to the ones we can purchase online. I started on researching the electronic parts. I found this PCE Universal Circuit Board USB F10 game joystick controller on Amazon. Then it was just a question to hook up a micro switch to it. Playing mainly Forza 5, the default assign button for the handbrake is the A button, so the micro switch must be plugged into K3 port, which is the one assigned for the A button. Use the normally open and common pins to connect the micro switch to the wire supply with the PCB. I use Autodesk Inventor to create 3D models for each part. Pretty simple design. An arm is mounted on an axis and retained with two springs at its base. The micro switch is located in front of the arm, maintained in place with a clip printed on the base, so when the arm is pulled, the micro switch is activated. A U-shaped base with a mounting screw allowed to fix the handbrake to any desk of a maximum thickness of 2 inches. The USB F10 card is installed in the blue cap that slips over the base. The cap is maintained in place by 2 dowel pins printed directly on top flange of the cap. Satisfied with the design, I've exported my 3D part file in STL and opened them in Cura to adjust 3D print settings and assign supports where needed. Let's start 3D printing. Here's the result. Printing duration and material quantity in grams and linear meters are shown. It's time to go for a test drive. The handbrake assembly is perfect, and the arm stroke is just long enough to activate properly the micro switch. There's no delay with the USB F10 card, and the feeling is just great. The U-shaped base is strong enough, and the Acme rod maintains the assembly in place. One improvement should be to glue a piece of rubber underneath the base and on the swivel push plate. Dupes. Hello snooze. So this is it for my handbrake joystick build. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel as new project is coming soon. If you are interested to print your own handbrake, the STL files will be available soon for download on my website. I will put all the information in the description below. Thanks for watching. Salut!